good day. It's New Year's. It's pretty beautiful outside. And we got the Corvette back from the tuning shop. The tune is complete. Only needed like 3 or so more hours on the dyno because they already got a lot of the idling down and most of the hard stuff when you're tuning a cammed car was already done. So they just did some power pulls, figured out the top end, and this thing pulls like a freight train. I'm going to say it right now. It's easily the fastest car I've owned. My last one being the boosted Civic. You guys only ever saw me do a header install on that, but I ended up running about 11 pounds of boost through it. Put down around 370 wheel horsepower. I'm going to show the dyno chart and get into the power this car is making later. But for now, I'm just going to clean it up, get it ready. Might take some friends out in it, just see if people think it's faster. It definitely is, but I want to get some reactions from some friends pretty shortly. Alright, so I'm going to wash the car up real quick. Just the classic 2-bucket wash method. Really simple. You have 1 bucket of hot soapy water that you use to soap up your sponge, wash the car, get it all dirty, and then you rinse it off in the other bucket so you're not contaminating it with all the junk that you get off the car. You know, you don't want to be washing your car with muddy water. So I'm going to get these filled up and get going washing the car. Hit it with a foam gun first because it's fun and it'll get most of the crap off the surface. But let's get into it. About the V8 because you have torque anytime you want. I'm glad this is a comfortable headrest. Yeah, you end up smacking it a lot. Yeah, I used it a lot. Where's my phone? Your phone got eaten? No, it's... oh, yeah. Alright, so I got the dyno sheet here and the results are in. The car actually ended up putting down about 425 horsepower and just under 400 foot-pounds of torque at around 6,300 RPM. And I'm really loving the power curve. It's really linear, so it's nice for driving it down low, but the power ramps up really quick when you keep it in the RPM. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Had a lot of fun making this video. Really enjoyed the ride-alongs. Definitely going to do some more of those with some of my friends. I have two-step coming in the mail, which is basically like a launch control that may or may not make the Corvette shoot flames. We're just going to have to see what happens with that. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one.